seriousness and he expired. So till the last moment, we both are laughing together. I brought him back the last memories, no? Then he was recalled. I feel bad for him. While I was in a class 3, class 4, he told me, oh, when you go to middle English school, MS school, syllabus is too huge, too many to memorize. If you by heart, you'll get mad. So start cheating. So I started cheating from class 5. In exam, I cheat very well. I pass. You know, in class 5, many of our friends were there. Assamese teacher were there. Hindi teacher were there. Maths teacher, we know nothing because our senior told me not to by heart anything because it's too huge. So I learned I mastered how to do cheating. Okay. So one lady at that time, she's a beautiful girl. Okay. She wrote a long note in her churidar. And then our teachers came to know about it. Then she picked up churidar. Nopal parise na? Then I learned that churidar is good. So I also learned to write in my shirt. I wrote a long note in my shirt. Okay. Then the same teacher called me again. What? ZEME tu? Nopal parise na? Shirt uthai ke lega. Manga ho gaya. But I have one determination. I never give up. I keep writing. Question begin to say, there is whatever I learned from A to class 5, I wrote all the English I have in the paper. I got pass. My friends all failed. Okay. Then I also learned that during class 10, my colleagues, my seniors, we all buy notebook, huge notebook. My father earned 4,000 rupees at that time. So notebook is not so difficult for me. I purchased all the notebook. I carried everything. Then we go for metric exams. I don't have any fear or things like that. Okay. I brought a notebook and keep it down there and copy it and wait for the last minute to do the human digestive drawing. When 15 minutes comes, I took up. My teacher came, wow, ZEME, sakta hai. I did it. Then I prayed to God also. I have to pass metric. So my friend told me again, oh, if you pay 4,000 rupees, your metric will be passed. So I told my dad, you have to bring 4,000 rupees. Then I have to bribe my teachers. I will not name those teachers today because they are about to retire. So I paid 4,000 rupees. Result will come out, fail. I said, God, what are you doing? I pray regularly. I pay the money to my teachers. I fail. I said, you are not fear God. I pray, I fast. I feel miserable. My another friend, he was tall and big, okay. He was sitting beside me in a government boys' school. ZEME, हमको भी थोड़ा दे उन्हें. Before giving this cigarette, whereas I made a small chili, but I have the guts to write, no. ZEME, हमको भी थोड़ा दे उन्हें. He's sitting so dense, he's shaking, so how can I give you? I was like that. So I went to Delhi. My dad sent me. My book approved, you have to go to Delhi. I said, Papa, you give 200 rupees per month, how can I live with 200 rupees in Delhi? I will not go. But my dad forced me, I went there. So same color. The guts that was, sibling that has given to me during my class 4 by my brother. That syllabus is too huge, you have to copy. So that mind is still with me. I went to Delhi, then I got admitted in Upras Vidyalaya. Some of you can come and see my mark sheet also. I keep it as a souvenir, okay? Life-changing souvenir. You know, my staying in Delhi, we notice some people, shining skin, innocent looking, very smart, young, tiny, like a dog in the eyes of the audience. In better exams, so many checking, not like here. We are checked, everything checked. Don't be afraid. I just give a notebook here. And they said, hey, to Manipur here, Manipur, innocent. I went inside. I brought all my notes. Then some Indian teachers were there. She was smiling, she was laughing because nobody was able to bring in there so much material that I could bring. The room became dusty because of my nonsense. I was writing, okay. Throw back, what is that? Nana Manipur ko, Nana Nagaland ko. Kasama na aki Indian aki heroin sample na ko. Aki throw sample na ko. What is it? Good. Yes, no, siblings start fighting. We'll end up like that. So, India and Pakistan borders, na? Kashmir, Kargil. When I went to Norway, let's go to the Punjabi dhaba. Chicken tikka bahut acha lagta hai. They are very good friends because Europeans, they say, these are Asians, the colored people, cunning people, Chinese, Indian, Pakistanis, all bhai. In Dima Hasao, you fight each other. When you come to Gowahati, you love each other. When you go further, you love each other. Assamese, no distance. We are all one. It's a human nature. For one bag potatoes don't contain the entire shack of potatoes. Am I right? Learn to cope, learn to this thing, stay together. And I also want to encourage you. Next time, maybe you call someone for your chief guest also from Dima Hasao community. Okay? We have very good relations. Okay? The only thing is that it was not retold. It was not no relate again and again. Because no one. We need to relate, we need to build. It's your district. It's your home. Nobody is going to make it your home. It's you and me, we have to make a home. Nobody is going to build your village. It's you and me. I have to tell you, when I went to Europe, I have many friends. I have girlfriends also there. But when we drink, when we have chat, I also, like a lion, I want to imagination. Many of our friends take up the visa, work permit, and settle in Europe and marry the European girls. No? The Spanish are like us, also they are also very small, no? Our height. And then there are Hispanics, Chinese populations there, Vietnamese are there. So like us, they eat the same food, the same things they do eat. They're very beautiful. They're very pretty also. Huh? So one of our European friends said, "Ahum, Europe is made by my forefathers. Why you Nagas want to stay in Europe? Everyone goes there and you marry and you settle and you do things. Europe is made by my fathers, my grandfathers." I said, "Yes, I'll go back to India. I'll make my India." I returned. So I love my people, but I know I am also one of the most trolled in social media. I don't mind because I love you. You realize what I'm doing today. So, friends, Let's not fight. This is Raka, this is Christian, this is Baptist, this is Catholic, that is ZPA, this. No. We are too tiny. I mean, me and I am here. Hindu benar mandiri ka dokter mandiri ka pun pernah institution pun makan mandiri orang NOC dulu mereka pernah. That's how India big secular we live. We are fighting. Sipil melaksanakan sipil kan A ke bapa ke B ne fight, B ne bapa ke C ne fight. That's not true. That's clear. Aina, ANUI Nagahambu communities assembly sama. Official ke di mana ni? Simple nama invite. My Europe ni. If you don't have the connection, I have friends. And when I look at this your motto, very late sibina katuibe. Perseverance brings victory, right? Very late sibina. Ina kilo kuitu tu le. Ami Christian ko sampai mau jalan. Kahai na bom pesulik kuswing. Na kahai le bom le kuswing. Bom pesulik. We Christian have this thing saying, okay. Troublesome, not life, the struggle life is a crown. So we ZEME people, we want to struggle all the time. Though there is a comfort, there is a place for this thing. We want to continue. Because my dad did. We don't want to see. That is meant for transpasan for my evangelist making day for my name. But we are harapan gua, ini pula dekat. Kahrai benar ni nak gom pesu je betul. Ami public main like we should be live like 2 meal a day, 1 meal a day. Jadi sih dalam rumah mau nuju mau. We have to be innovative. We have to think. I had one Dima Hasao boy asked his parents, Papa, in the Muslim school, father teaches us that there is only one God. But how many God do we have? I really love that Dima Hasao boy who have the courage to ask his father. We should also ask our parents, what we are doing, is it bringing any profit? Are we progressing? I mean, GPA pursuing. Life is not a battle roses. I have struggled lots. I have struggled a lot to be here today. I have struggled a lot. I want to tell you something. How many times did I fail in metric exam? Can someone raise your hand and tell me? No, no one. Most of you are very young kids. I have failed 3 times. On the 4th attempt only I passed my metric. I am very poor. Though I was small, like DS for me, but Gohan is big. Size doesn't matter. I was in Sambujan High School. Okay, coming to Bodi is no purpose. You better stay back in Haflam. If you are going to mix within your comfort zone with your own family, what is the purpose of coming to metros? Similar, Dr. Moses. Learn Assamese. Try to speak Assamese. You are in the state of Assam. This is reality. You may have dreams. You may have illusion. You have the very right to have. But live a reality life. My wife used to be a good correct, but she could not be with us today because of my daughter's schooling. Education is very important. Education is acquiring wisdom, knowledge, not only knowledge. And one thing, when in college, when people seniors started ragging, it's like Jackie Chan, and the girls also like, Mary Kom. Nobody dares to interact with us. Don't be like that. If the senior tell you, please dance some song, you dance. If you don't know how to do Bhangra, you do something, whatever. They'll be happy. They want to know you more. But we are like that. Thinking about the like tortoise, huh? If somebody wants to interact with you, who is going to know you? It's a few hours, few years you have. It's a few days you have to interact, to learn. While in college days in a university hostel, they say, "Yeah, today is the day for beer drinking. Okay, go. Go to the pubs, we drink, make friends, dance, teach our culture. When you live in Rome, be like a Romans. When you live in a Laishon, be like a Laishon." Like culture that something that adapted that name. Karena abu ibn ya nak nama sila tengok knowledge juga lah. Namanya seniors pernah namanya tu guide tu dah. Karena seniors don't be like a tigers. Don't prowl on the innocence freshers. I warn you, seniors. I have one movie, cartoons, that the what is the chapters, some things, lions and deer, and then stag, and then jackal. They're all friends, okay. But whenever lion sees the deer, खराब होता है कुछ ना, only meat देखता है उसको. हमें कहाँ पर नहीं को रागी पे से ठीक विदो मोलेगा. क्या है का पर बात है पका है क्या? और क्या कहाँ है? Oh. Don't be like that, okay, senior. It's your sister, it's your brother. Okay, don't be like the lion in the movie, where he couldn't see the, whenever he saw the deer, his eye got blurred, ना? तो juniors को देख के आँखी blurred नहीं करना है, ठीक है? Am I right?
Yes.
So be confident, my dear precious. And nak karena milungang saja. These 3 years, how you invent yourself, how you learn, how you grow, is going to shape your life, your future. And some of us, we may think we want to become a doctor, but with learning from here and there, you may become a CA, you may become a public servant, you may become a professor. This is the platform. So learning, there's no end. And then, ANUI ZEME game is that. Nak kita ramai. Kami email back. Kakak sukses ni, kakak tu cakap apa tu? ANUI siapa? If someone success, learn how they have success. Learn a trick, what to do. Kakak ni, ANUI kakak ni. ANUI tu bawa sana lena, sana lena. Nama dia yang top dia kan. Dapat ANUI za future generation kan, future leaders. Nama dia orang semua ni kan, sisi tong top dia kan. ANUI ZEME le sinang tak ni, kakak tu muak ni. ANUI sekarang kan kia tak lena nak kia mana ya, kia sama. Akarna semua orang kia tak lena. Mereka selalu tak terbiasa. ANUI bangkit dia kan, dia tak sina. Soalnya nak lagi ANUI advisor, ANUI kuaya. Leaders sampai Ramzan, Dr. Moses and Ramzan, and silver to feel like that. I wish all the best for the program. Siga, come on, ANUI sikinamo come macam apa yang itu mau bemer. ANUI come mai go ANUI, yo, asam tu tak tu tinggal maka sebab penyelunga masih cek tak boleh. Karena ANUI karena secure that you Dima Hasao out, you out, only me. You're not going to go anywhere. ANUI ZEME na kan mime Prancis sangat jealousy. We have to do it. time for dinner. Lunch is approaching, no? But if you listen well, maybe I'll give more next time. Okay, so be attentive, huh? Jealousy we have to do away. Nakalai babena, it's for all. Past success bina, let's speak of good of each one of us. Let us not speak negative of any one of us. Let the other community, let the other people say, but you speak well of each other. Ano ita ka niyo practice ng sweet? Zana ina makarane. India ramai langbang gini. Say Aryan culture. How many mandirs do they have? How many sects do they have? Namun sini mana? India ramai Aryan Hindu culture je. Mandir pat. Karena ZEME se tiny. Oh, there's more. Microscope na pitolak na ZEME. Karena kata kita. Culturally, cái program cái tôi cầu xin apa? Anh ấy nói young generation be inclusive. Akan meramaikan buat tiga even income tax commissioner and railway officers, IS officer sama mereka. Tentu ini dia uang dana rumah orang lain dulu dia. They love you. They know you. Karena bisa glass ceiling, asal kau, lihat. Exclusive lagi lumina. Someone will also exclude you in future. Dima Hasao is a small, tiny district. We have got only one MLA. We are so insecure. And now coming back, we did the ZEME. How many population do we have? Be realistic. I get mahal sengko, siap sengko. Ano ko hang selki morong jan kat mate kan. Hang selki om jan hang selki ke ya opai se ko ya. Hang selo ndeki akang kya kabui pe te ne jia ta ti de se ni. Kana no mai ka jija helero ba harai beras na rama tak te ju na man ko ki bang mo pang di da te bulu ja ta tu na ma ki se ne pa pe na. Ma ta re na pak fok ta. Nyo te ka ngi chakun ramasi. Cima ini zanya dulu kan belum dalam zanya. Juniors itu game itu lama kansi ram boleh begitu. Karena ini ciatin. Some of us we have developed don't feel like sleeping hobby. First time I had, but this generation hobby. It's not bad. Lega Amir hang se ibe te go feel we jan te te Amir hang jate te to aga hata mai kaga ni freshers I go on ya akang no kinam be courageous, be bold, be a rolling stone, mix with everyone, learn from everywhere. It's your life. What song was that? It's my life. Rock and roll, huh? It's time for you to rock and roll. It's my life. Enjoy. Don't be timid. If you're timid, nang ini na, nang lunsay na, marang macang-cang na ulit. And ano yan? Tinggun ko ko. Once I was invited to Don Bosco by Catholic father for some work. So he asked me, Riame, you know, what happened to your community? Even in Don Bosco hostel, they are still mingling among themselves, not mixing with other communities. Like 미안할 거야 보면 내 거라는 데 그때 기도 맞아 그러는 그 몸에 we like that. We don't mix with others. Everyone is not enough because I was doing that. I kept here, all food. But on the last day, that was the economic paper. Okay, economic studies. I wrote, but they realized they have noticed my innocence, no? So yeah, I want to take name. Remove. Oh, today is done. I went here. The question comes: the role of entrepreneurs. The entrepreneur. I started thinking same thing that I repeated in my class life. No? Never give up. Whatever English I have, keep writing. Then what is bank? The question. Define bank. Bank is a place where money is kept and taken out. Very simple. I wrote the whole period. When the result come out, I cheated so well. I got 1 mark in Hindi, 3 marks in maths, in social 6 marks, something, 10, something, okay. Then the one I wrote, like anything like that comes to my mind, based on the question, I keep writing. I got out of 126. So only 4 marks less for pass mark. That is the turning point. So I said, oh God, if I at least could have read single, one go through textbook, definitely I'll pass. So that was the turning point for me. So I started reading the textbook. So reading textbook is not so hard, no? So chapter 1, chapter 2 I read, and chapter 3, then the things that I didn't know in chapter 1 I came to learn from chapter 2. The things that I didn't know in chapter 2 I came to learn from chapter 3. Likewise, I finishing off. When the result came out, it was miracle. Something about 70%. But I barely met it. The fourth day, I took a tuition from Manipuri Meitei. He teach me well. Within 1 week, I could finish the entire trigonometry syllabus. And he was amazed. I did. Then, when I come to Mount Carmel School, I was the toppers, CBSE. There, you can go and see in Santiniketan and Mount Carmel School in New Delhi, here where HUNGKEUKAM NRIAME Roll of Honors 1999 batch. Still. So, friends, let us be truthful to our syllabus. It's not for cheating. We have to do it by ourselves. Unless I do it myself, this thing. And one thing I have to tell you, success or the perseverance. Perseverance is not simply doing, no. Believing that you're going to get it. Without belief, struggle, no meaning. No meaning. No place where not to believe, not to know they won't go. Actually, not really. No. If you knew that you're going to gain something, your perseverance with belief is very important. And another thing is that success is not a final thing. How many success do you think in your life will have? How many success you're going to have in your life? We have to celebrate every success in your life. Maybe you stop smoking today, you celebrate, you have overcome. Maybe you stop drinking, you make a decision, oh, I have successfully completed. You celebrate one bit by one. Success is not an end, it's a means to go further. So, failure is not that dangerous. Failure will make you pillar of success. So if you fail, you try again. And another thing for the students, I failed in 4 times. 4th attempt I passed. Many of my friends who have left while I was nasty doing around. After 4 years, 4 years fail is nothing. It will all equalize after your graduation, because what you going to get, what you are going to do, always struggle to get. In fact, I was the first one to get job. In fact, I was the first one to got a scholarship to go to Norway. They were admired. I was the first one to Oslo. But like I sent to, I made lots of mistakes. I went to Oslo, then I got married. I wish, I could have got something different. Many of my friends, they were angry. Oh, look how sweet. We are going to Oslo. Please, write us back. Those days where email is very popular. Okay? But after a few years, they went to America, they went to Australia, they went to Japan, and they all became a professor in their economics and universities. Some of them are dean and faculty dean. And some of them become IAS, IPS officer. Like here a professor is, you reach certain limits, you thought you were success. And my friend who came behind me, they went ahead of me. Today I used to be envy of them. I used to tell them, Netra, तो IAS भी ज़्यादा है, महाल है भाई. आज मैं जापान जा रहा है. उनका पासपोर्ट में ये पासपोर्ट ना सील करने का पेज खत्म हो जाता है. और हम बाहर निकलने का सोबर सोच के भी नहीं निकलता. That's it. So success is not, if you success one thing and if you think that is it, your life is now. You have to go further. And to become a success in life, there are so many things that we struggle. Doubt. Bukan siapa ni? Karena angkat nak doubt nak ISL itu sini. Angkat nak ini nak portal itu sini. Karena there is a doubt whether you have doubt or not. Do you have a doubt? Someone has completed MCA and congratulations, ANUI, but he also had doubt. What kind of job he is going to land? Maybe he may want to become CA, but he has a doubt. That is his enemy. We have to overcome doubts, setback, obstacles. Aki class से बोलो, हमारा परिवार पैसा नहीं है. These are the setback. Keep aside. Just do it. You'll do it. I regret it. While I was the teenage boy, I used to pray to God. ओए भगवान, हमारा teenage पूरा फालतू में चल गया. ये क्या जिंदगी है मेरा? लड़की कोई पता नहीं, लड़का कोई पता नहीं. एक तो शूज चप्पल लगाता है, शर्ट पहन के खरीद भी नहीं सकता. क्या जिंदगी है? भगवान हमको क्या के लिए बनाया? लोग कौन है भाई वहाँ? हमको इंसान को देखते हैं. I used to argue with God, but now I realize if I could have struggled another step more, I could be IAS. I could be IAS. Many of my friends stayed in Jubilee Hall, where I stayed in a hostel. It's a nickname is the IAS Factory of India. I was there. I was in room number 1, room number 46. I was there doing my MBA. They used to say, "Oh, you'll be a top 10 IAS." And many IAS coaching center came and approached me for coaching in Delhi. I said, "Arey, कोई भी IAS नहीं बना, किस हम IAS को coaching दो?" मैंने सर kindly sign कीजिए आप coaching. But I have the same thing that you have, the doubt whether I will become IAS, and the fear. हमको को सीख के ये MIL ना वो करने लगा. I thought it is not possible. I have some friend research analysis in row. They say, "Oh, तू जो बनेगा यार, exam दो, IAS बन के इंडिया को अच्छे बनो." But I doubt myself, and I thought it was a success. हम success को जल्दी हम celebrate जल्दी कर लिया. मतलब मैं सोचा नहीं कि success it means you have to go far. So, dear friends, when you success something, don't dwell on it. You look for the future. You know, we, our people, ZEME people, no? When you get land compensation money, many of our kids, they drop the school. I feel very bad. You know, we started celebrating, going picnic with girls and boys. Very good. That's our nature. So let's try to resist those things, and then let's struggle. Let us, continue to do better for future. Let us be more inclusive. But finally, I'm going to add some more things there so that you can carry on. To be a victory. Victory doesn't come without setback. Victory doesn't come without fail. But victory comes with never give up. Die-hard attitude is kind. Okay? So, once again, I congratulate to all the freshers and seniors for organizing these events. Such a wonderful event. I cannot imagine my kids. I'm so happy. Tell my daughters. Well, few more things, food for thoughts. Hard work. Someone hard like that in a computer, social work, social page, media. Hard work. Have you heard? Yes. But I say, hard work alone is not going to bring success today. These generations need something extra. Your age, I feel sorry. Competitive is too high. Can't you be saying that is here? Or ZEME? Okay, another smart. That alone is not going to bring success. You may be able to fool one or two girlfriends, but not more than that. Okay? Hard work plus smart combined, that's going to bring success. Okay? You have to think. Okay, coming back again. You have to think. You have to be innovative. Out of the box. Study for all purpose. You know, I've been in a secretary of the council. I feel so embarrassed when the council announced that the 150 teachers course is going to advertise. CM said, ले लो, जितना ले सकता ले लो. कहाँ के क्या करो? Out of 150, our people, only 5 or 6 came out. And it was in my veranda. All other communities are going. Look at see that reality and the position. Don't blame others. It's you and me. We don't study the purpose that we should study. Study with purpose. If you want to go for NEET, you concentrate on NEET. If you want to go for civil service, you go for that. And once you've completed your graduation, focus. I used to tell, hi uncle, I think she's here. Okay, thank you. I used to tell them, you didn't study for job. You just study to pass your graduation, I used to tell them. You'll get a job, I said. You're smart. You'll get it. But take a coaching at least. Let's see, if you are trying for UGC professor, you should qualify SLAT and NET. Okay? You should have the percentage. You should also have a good lobby among the professors. Respect your professors. Namely college namely professor there is a blessing. Okay? Some of the professors may be advisor to the Prime Minister office also. They will not tell you. Professor, the head of the HOD University government of India, government of some advisor to respect them. You think you know number one. Now, kids are good at Assam direct recruitment. 1,000 posts are coming up. We are where? we pass graduation, done. You know, our people, when we pass matriculation, we used to celebrate with cows and pigs and buffaloes. I still remember one teacher, he got matriculated in 3rd division, that we have entire village have one buffalo celebration. And another fellow, I don't name, okay, another fellow, he failed, so he tells us that he wants to eat the cow so much, na? So he told him, Papa, matric pass already, so egg guy. But result come out, he is failed. So we want to celebrate so much. But celebration, I don't condemn, but I go say na, I mata develop sikya, but focus the migo line, you know. Graduation will look like now Assam direct recruitment na, Assam direct recruitment ko paper then on the field, you know. Now we get income tax ke na, income tax ko recruitment paper nahi to dilo. Indian Railway Service ke na, Indian Railway Service ki samar hai. So na kagaya chief personal officer da computer, Timothy Tazo nanggon mai, you know. There are 1 or 2 chief personal officers there. They are very perfect. Penuhi dia berada sedikit lebih lama, diko. Agar namun dia saya baca namun kia pikir itu dah pasti dah. So na dia army le dah, mang le dah. Fokus. Kau nanti temi sebenarnya tembak dia, ingin kepai, dia tembak dia, pergi macam ni, cuma kami nak pergi ngomong. Namai kagaya ANUI ZEME 150 teacher post ya ANUI success deba like kimi percentage 3.5%. Nam se medical ga ANUI da ki momis me struggle de bekal nunai da struggle de me da 8%. ST here sangya 5% na medical syllabus see the 77 seats. ANUI yang suka nak ngomong gimana nih, kafe dah nih. Or Dima Hasao boys and girls, they got 26 or 27 something, na? Or even reaching 30, I don't know. So really kecil they beri rumah busui, ngangsang. Haflong sakit apa lepas karut sakit kum. Kau itu dia. What is this? Be reality. Know yourself. Terima kasih. My remorse like that dulu tak leh. Reality macam ni, you can't feel anything actually. Another things I want to be here is that I don't want to tell you. Itu हमरा baca lagi हमरा. नहीं बोल दूँ? ना बोल. saya rasa. हम लोग गुस्सा नहीं बना. खाना निकल समय में दाना ठीक नहीं होते मुझे. मैं बोलूँ? मेरा मोबाइल फोन मेरे सेविंग अकाउंट से ज़्यादा है होने से तो you are not ready for life. मेरा भाई मेरा बैंक सेविंग अकाउंट से ज्यादा है होने से you are not ready for life. You are not ready to fight for your youth life. You are not ready to live in this planet. You are living in the illusion with your papa mommy income. Your papa mommy is going to live for 10-15 years. They are going to die. They are going to retire. This is a sad fact. Your fathers may be earning, your mothers may be earning, but you are not earning. You are going to live your world, not your papa, not your mommy. How much they may earn doesn't matter. So don't feel bad, huh? We have to be realistic. And when you live in realistic, God will bless you. And another, finally, so I came to know you for the first time. Can you come up here? They are very young people. Okay, I will look here because I have full control and this and that. Okay, fine, very well. I am about, I think, almost reaching 50. So don't get jealous of me, okay? Congratulations, you being becoming one of the most entrepreneurs, skilled entrepreneurs. Okay. Finally, generate money, don't earn money. Rakam kalau baik tu, he tu kata, kalau kau nak cakap, kare bagus besok, kare bagus. Perseverance is the ground. No matter what. How long you are going to earn? Try to generate money. The best way. There are opportunities around. Opportunities will now my idea, artificial intelligence. I used to have a very weak grammar in drafting, but now I can proudly say because of AI ChatGPT, I could do the excellent work. The world is going to lose many jobs. I repeat again. How many of you have heard Kodak? I used to repeat it in my meeting. Kodak. This generation, Kodak. Anyone heard about Kodak? No, I think it's here. My time, I was a photographer. You know, I used to do the photograph. Oh, beautiful girls in the village. No? Then I used to charge 20 rupees per snaps. No? Then I was journalist. They used to invite me. Oh, you come to that mountain? Okay, with camera, I used to go up and do that. Okay, Kodak company was the best film roll company. But today, nowhere to be seen. Because they are not willing to change. Nokia is another example. If you are not willing to change, ANUI kelima sana, apa yang perlu kita boleh tiru bangun jina hai. ANUI Dima Hasao na MILUNG tha. You are going to perish if you are not willing to change. If you are not willing to accept the reality. It's not Dima Hasao going to kick out, no. It's not because of Cookie going to kick out, no. It's because of your own doing, you are going to be out from this planet. So now, ANUI LP teachers, we are fighting, no? But we are always behind. You know, let me, I really want to have this thing. During the India independence time, the government advertised if you have class 3, 4, you are teacher नौकरी दे देगा. तो कोई सर नौकरी करने को भी दिल नहीं अच्छा हो बोल के सब class 3 तो पढ़ा. होने के बाद में government you know they introduce class 8 पास नहीं होने से नहीं लेगा. तो हम लोग तो 3 में सब रोक किया because we don't go advance. तो class 8 तो metric में teacher post मिलेगा. एक तक मुझे तो class 10 हो गया. क्लास 10 तो होने के बाद में क्लास 12 में रख दिया फिर बाद में ग्रेजुएट होना चाहिए तो हम लोग पे ग्रेजुएट आया तो टैग लगा दिया ना हम लोग तो नहीं सकते ना we are behind the scene sini नहीं KETEI parents are not able to connect dengan we are not able to cope up with the world KETEI parents tak kena saja mau connect Man, I'm scared. It's not good. Okay? Body movement, man. I'm just share something. Now, tap can I keep an tap na. Mark go. Level 2 selection pa na. So, what I see, and I keep it on time. Behind the mainstream. Meram ko playing field in what I want to tell you. I give up Lena. Now you scare him. Take it on me, so. And I'm in a group study to scare him. So go back. I'm here, graduation come to Nena. I'm here, I assign direct recruitment again, LDA junior center. Now you roll to him. Hum can message him message. Percentage. Kill the number they don't make a go. I'm here to put them on and run some Kalau besi itu lebih banyak kelas kan nanti kan free time ni Sunday je tu mana tu lah. Hak maths or not take because they become like a teba. Hangke English on the English teba. It's a basic thing. Kasi go. Sina kapan has go. I know prima or simple am ko na gibra. I know prima make gen dila. Kumtre me chang yu sila ko se ne. Misi siya sa ko. Kana ina vision ngogum ja as a leader ke kilan mo tas la. Ngana mo ito tuwa ka ni. I'm so sorry. Nang doing yang kiek sana. I want to thank you. I want to appreciate you. You are doing so well. So pretty. Ana, ANUI, chana na program jaga na niku tahu le jelmi semua tu sudah ANUI punya nama. Asam ni program na lagi pun deh. ZEME na ZEME ni dia orang baru je. Capital model company itu sebenarnya apa? Saya sendiri kata, dan ZEME Roma juga ada kan modal. Dan Dima Hasao, ANUI Dima Hasao tu ni modal kan. Dan realistic ni kan, India ko Satya Mawat kera. The truth alone will triumph. Come on. Satya Kartu. The truth alone triumphs. Apa link na ni kan? Ami mi pi betul link ni. Rakan lain lah lisik dek ni. Zanya business enterprise tu very excellent. Nama ni ya business business tu juga nago. Zanya nangka artificial intelligence AI tadi je na job opportunity. Dai kini apa kan? Sunang kala ini kata yang nak lisik kalau apa tracer post apa redundant. Women. Tracer dan tak tinggal engineer mas tadi tadi kan? Pernah drawing ke luar lagi. Pernah lagi ada assistant itu kan? Dia bukan lagi kelas bukan? Ada jadi media. Betul. Ini cerita tracer post. Cerita apa? Normal. Kan sih kau dah. Teacher post is going to be normal in future. Because artificial intelligence, robot nang so grammar accurate sabda. Lesson that fitting them na, it will be more dramatic. Now teachers are trained to dance, they do like that, and all men already they said, teacher only kar payega. They do now. You will not be able to in. Robot will be in. My society, are you prepared? Medical surgery. Now, my driver Paula. Some prison has got many doctors, okay, but उसका eye ठीक नहीं था. I said, आप ये डॉक्टर से दिखाओ ना. हाँ, चेन्नई वाला डॉक्टर से दिखाया, वो दवाई खाने के लिए दिया. Simple driver, he started consulting doctors online in Chennai because those Apollo Chennai is much better. They go, no, I can't go to you. Unless you're good. If a lawyer, unless you're the best lawyer, you're not going to have your business. The world is changing. So change yourself. Be adaptive to the changing. Nagami pun penat dia nak challenge semua dia. Sunday by Gonzalo Raki we Milung mo tayo sa Meren represent mo. Ani societies ani maranta Dima Hasao to complete de lo. Punya Hajar mo din minister ko dito sui. Ang ibigam se realistic yan mo may sinabi society dito. Marami na ngong ko. Ano ni ganun? Na harap ka Christian mamaki mo dyan may Christian. Pero ang sui ba? Marami ka ito mo si de na na. Puno ram sa hang se na ram na le na. Iskina tu mah kita teh mai. Nang nak KETEI mana? Mai benang dia mana? Nang kita cek yang bisa penurang dia mau tanya. Dah step dah. Sina, apa yang mana juga? Mak sina. Dah kita na government nukri le ina ni private nukri pe. So self enterprise ane business kita mau marah tu ane KETEI course tu le. Sekarang samosa soal ni saya. Ni lu nak dihizen ni semua tetap. Lalu tu orang lu sini belum nerja tamat le. Some Satimaka, the Swiss Amman with the Kasana. I saw the EBV go, I saw the Korean go, and the Rogama Timmy Songalada. I get up from Moses Lada, I get up by see Brahman Dinam Samana, and look at Ramana. All the best for the future upcoming events, and have a blessed stay in Guwahati. Learn what is good, take what is good, ignore what is bad, laugh what is bad, leave aside what is bad. Okay? Be ready to change what is not good. Adapt what is good. learn what is good, ignore what is bad. Thank you. I conclude my speech. I conclude it.